The Daylight 1030 watt LED and the Daylight 1030 watt LED Pro are super efficient, full spectrum LED fixtures which are ideal for most indoor spaces and grow tents, and are designed to replace a single HID grow light respectively. These high-intensity output fixtures feature 10 bars, fully loaded with the latest Osram, LumiLEDs and LumeLED LEDs, offering highly uniform coverage across the plant canopy. The most powerful LED fixtures in our range have a blisteringly high output. The Pro version offering a huge 2,781 micromoles per second, and the standard 1030 watt version offering an impressive 2,369 micromoles per second. This makes these LEDs practically unrivaled in the industry. The spread of the bars allows for airflow between them, offering passive heat dissipation. This also negates the need for noisy, mechanical cooling fans, making the unit run silently and reducing the risk of mechanical failure, which can often occur in competitor LED fixtures. Each unit includes a dimming feature, allowing the grower to increase and decrease power according to your requirements. One dimmer can control up to 10 linked units via iLink cables. The dimming function gives the user the ability to reduce the power to as low as 25% and can be increased to 50%, 75%, and then, of course, full power. Unlike with some HID lamp systems, the dimming function does not have a negative effect on the overall spectral output, with all daylight LED fixtures in the range maintaining a broad spectral output, no matter what dimming mode is selected. Both units feature LEDs with no lenses, which means better light efficiency. Each of the fixtures are optimized for use in a 1.5 meter tent and up to a 1.8 by 1.8 meter area, or combine multiple units in larger tents and grow room. Running the LED range through an integrated light bed demonstrates the range's impressive uniform footprint, delivering broad light coverage. With IP65 ingress protection for watertight performance, slimline design, clip-on bars and high-quality hanging brackets, the Daylight 1030 watt LEDs offer an attractive option for your next grow light. Affordability and high-end performance all rolled into one. Maxibright is committed to making improvements to the Daylight LED range, adding new and upgraded hardware as the industry advances. The Daylight LED series are also designed for easy one-person assembly. Both of the 1030 watt LED fixtures feature iLink compatibility for the added benefits of thermostatic dimming control, timed power control, temperature safety control, sunrise and sunset control, and the ability to apply all of these features to up to 100 fixtures using the Daylight Lighting Controller. For more information, please visit www.growwithdaylight.co.uk, where you can also see the full Daylight LED range,